For this, first take a square sheet of glazed paper and divide it into 8 parts by folding as we do here. Now, fold the sheet into 2 parts along the crease from top to bottom. The glazed sides should be outside. Now, fold again from right to left along the diagonal crease to make a folded triangle. Your folded triangle should look as we do it here. Next, flip the left half of this triangle and fold it over the right half. Now, fold the square-shaped left side along the diagonal crease to make one more triangle. Flip the right half of this triangle and fold it over the left half. Now, when you hold the folded paper from the apex of the triangles, you will find 4 triangles. Out of these 4 triangles, select one triangular fold and fold it inwards so that 3/4 of the triangle flips over the center crease and this fold projects out from the bottom. Repeat this with the facing triangle. The folded paper would appear to have 2/4 superimposed triangular folds hanging out from below in the center over a larger triangle. In the end, you have to flip the folded paper to expose the larger triangle. Now, this triangle looks like a triangular fish with 2 tail fins. To give the fish a complete look, apply some adhesive and paste Googly Eye. Also, draw the mouth line on this triangle using a sketch pen. And here it is! Your origami fish is ready!